tuning in, and this time tuning into my 3008th edition. Wow, it's a lot of editions of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni. Traders, you know, before we talk about anything else, we always talk about risk. Risk. This is a very risky business. If you don't know that, you should. The best way you can mitigate that risk is put your protective stop in first before you enter into a live position. That mitigates your risk. A stop is your best friend. Make sure you use it. All right, traders, so what's going on for trading? Video number 3008 for trading on December 23rd, which is a Tuesday. Right off the bat, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays to all of you around the world. Omniacs around the world. Great year, great Christmas, great holiday for you. Wishing you everything but the best, and certainly a fantastic new year will be coming our way. The Omni has just killed it this year. Traders, if you're looking for help, and you want to join a service that can help you out next year, January's coming. Everyone's going to come back to work. Look at what the Omni results have produced so far this year. This is trading one lot only, the smallest calculation you can do, one lot only. And we were up 10,000 in Jan, 19,000 in February. We made 75.12 some weird way in March. We lost $8,616 in April, comes back with a $20,400 win in May. 9,987 in June, a negative 177 in July. So 2 losing months this year. Positive 43.85 in August. September 14.86. Is that what that says? It sure does. October, we rocked it for $9,320. November, even though it was a really tough month, we eked out a $1,300 profit in the Omni. And I think we're up for December. So we've had 2 losing months out of 12. That is the Platinum service. Make sure you join our real-time trading. Simply go to livewithoscar.com, fill out an application. Well, you don't even have to do that. Go to livewithoscar.com. Just join the free site. No credit cards are required. Get to know me in my free live trading room. And if you like the action, then you can join the recommendations and be part of this for the coming year. We also had a target for 126,000 in Bitcoin. That was the high before the crack, right? Next target was for 80,200. We hit that. We've got a target on the board for 75.12 for this whole year in E-mini S&P. We're probably going to get into the 7,000s before the year's over. We only have a few days left, but hey, if they push this, we'll at least get into the 7,000 area, and we'll see what happens into the new year. But you know, when we put out the call for 75.12 on the upside in E-mini S&P, it was in April when the tariffs were announced and the whole world was calling for the downside, right? So go Omni, go. We might not hit 75.12, but what a call from 48.32 all the way up to where it's gotten now to just about 70. But the year's not over, and we might actually hit the target. You never know. What else is out there? Traders, an impromptu Omni camp's going to happen. I didn't know I was doing one in January because the next one I knew of is going to be in Europe. But here in Las Vegas, an impromptu Omni camp will take place. If you would like to come out to this Omni camp, it's only going to be for a couple of you. If you want to join, go to omnibootcamp.com right now. Fill out the application. You'll be one of 2 people that will sit with me and get undivided attention here in Las Vegas. In fact, before we go forward with this video, take a look at what the last Omni camper who came out for a one-on-one had to say.
The Omni camp, to me, my time here was a success. Taught me a lot that I didn't know. It's very simple. I'd recommend to anybody that's trading. I think it will enhance their trading profitability greatly. Go ahead, feel froggy, jump. You need to, because it'll pay off. I feel truly this will be paid off within a month. And then everything after that is just pure gold.
Did you see that? I promise that'll happen to you. Go to Omni Bootcamp right now and fill out your application. Now, what's the biggest thing going on? The Omni Trading Token. Oh my God. Traders, I have to say, I've been helping OmniX to the best of my ability, working 20 hours a day for years and years, actually decades. My room is free, the videos are free. I stay in my trading room on camera and microphone. I help people from all around the world. I've got stacks and stacks and stacks of letters that we've printed over the years. OmniX around the world telling us how the Omni, Oscar's market navigational indicator, has changed their lives. And look what's happened recently. We got to add to helping people on this planet, and now I've got all of you helping me. The Omni trading token has elevated people around this planet. I cannot ask for better than that. It brings a tear to my eye, I swear to God. Just knowing that I've got people around this world that I'm helping in a greater way. I've had contacts from Africa, from India, from Europe. You know what they've told me? Oscar, I bought this coin when you produced it and you have changed my life. Some people are telling me it's enough to retire, depending upon the country you're in. Other people are telling me it's changed their lives. Thank you, God, for allowing this Omni token. That is my goal, to help you out there. And what a great way, because now I've got all my Omniacs around the world helping me, helping you, which you're helping yourselves at the same time. Here's what you do. Just keep buying your Omni tokens. I've got people coming in from around the world. I'm working on all sorts of great advertising. Our liquidity pool is growing. And I promise you, this has just been a fantastic way to help each other and for me to help my Omniacs around the world. As the developer, I have not sold a single coin. I will not sell a single coin. This is a gift to you. I want you to make money. I want you to have equity. I want us Omniacs to push. We're hovering at $1.5 million, $1.5 million value. If you Omniacs help me get it to 3 million, we can then apply to larger exchanges and get a bigger crew into our coin. We've got to get it up to 3 million. It's at 1.5 now. Omniacs around the world, get involved. The Omni trading token, it is elevating people all over the world. It is the best thing that could have ever happened to all of you. Traders, I haven't made a thin dime on this. All I've done was support you, and I promise to keep it that way until everybody is in good shape, and we will share together. Thank you for everything that you do for the Omni token. Such great stuff. What's on the board? Green Omni for even the S&P, NASDAQ, Russell, and the Dow Jones Transportation Average. However, the Omni waved us off. It didn't let me get long this afternoon. I was so excited. All right, we're going to get long Monday night for Tuesday. I do my Omni analysis, and it tells me not to do it. And then I took a look around, and I said, you know, first we had OTAPMA, the Omni Trading Academy's proprietary moving average, come to the rescue and hold up the markets, if you will. Now we've got gaps, and that is probably why Omni has told us to sit on the sidelines for a session. We've got a gap left in E-mini S&P. 6,900 or 69,0050 down to 68.95 and a quarter. It leaves about 5 points of a little gap in the S&P. Then we've got a gap left in NASDAQ from 25,628 down to 25,600. We got about a 28-point gap in NASDAQ left on the chart. In other words, settlement, next one opened higher and left a little gap. But these gaps are so little, they might be considered breakaway gaps. Why? Because first we had OTAPMA, then we had gaps. Now Santa is coming to town, right? So they could very well be breakaway gaps, which is why Omni's pushing us off to the sidelines. But I know this. S&P almost never leaves gaps. So if it's a breakaway gap, even if it is, it will come back and fill it at some point, but maybe not in the next 10 days. We'll see. We'll let the markets tell us. But I'm assuming this is why the Omni has waved us off from getting long. I'd love to get long anyway, but I always listen to my Omni. And I've already mentioned the Omni trading tokens. We love you guys. We talked about Omni Camp. We talked about holidays. We talked about everything. Now, let's go talk about the charts, because I've got a couple of charts to show you. I want to illustrate those gaps to you so you can see them for yourselves. With no further ado, we're going to say our little exercise, our mantra, and then we're going to go look at some charts. Are you with me? 1, 2, 3. Stop, sir. In. Emotions are out. Traders rock and tomorrow. Don't forget, join the Omni service so you can join in the profits with us and fill out those OmniCamp application so you can come to see me in January. Now, let's go look at some charts. Traders, E-mini S&P daily bar chart. OTAPMA to the rescue back here. It happens once again right here. But look, we left this little gap. Take a look at that. It's a little teeny gap of 5 points, but there is a gap, and it's very rare that S&P will leave a gap. But sometimes it will have a breakaway gap, and it'll do something like this before actually filling it. So let's take this one day at a time. Tomorrow. Looks like it still wants to go up for trading tomorrow. Even if it filled that gap, I'll bet it would still go up. E-mini S&P blown up a little bit for you so that you can see there is actually a gap there. Very same chart, just a little more blown up. There's a gap, right? I mean, no doubt about it, and S&P doesn't like leaving gaps. NASDAQ, same sort of thing. OTAPMA to the rescue, OTAPMA to the rescue, but there's a little gap right there. Do you see it? Then, let's take a look. If we blow it up, you can clearly see that there's a gap. But here's what gets interesting. Now you go out to the Dow Jones, zero gap at all whatsoever. And Dow Jones has been making these wonderful flags all the way up. All the way up. It just keeps making these flags, a little flagpole, little flagpole, little flagpole. And look where it is right now outside of that flag. You can't hate that, right? That looks pretty good with no gap. Then you look at the Dow Jones Transportation Average. Remember the bull flag I pointed out in the webinar a few days back, last Thursday? Well, look at that. We are now above that flag, sitting right here. Omni is green there as well. Traders, I gave you a wealth of analysis last Thursday to tell you that the markets were going up this week, not down. We had a lot of pessimism out there, but I showed you some clarity on Thursday in a 45-minute presentation. And look what happened today. Markets did go up. Proof, charts are much, much better than people's opinions.